Welcome back to the top 10 digital transformation trends from Futurum. We are on to trend number 9, which is artificial intelligence. This is a trend that is going to have a huge impact in the coming year. We are already hearing about the rapid growth of chatbots and autonomous vehicles and their impact on our lives. We are seeing more smart machines, smart computing that is basically filling major gaps in our learning and knowledge. And as data continues to proliferate, there is no question that artificial intelligence is going to play a bigger role. In the next year, we're going to see a couple of very specific instances, and that is going to be one, the rapid growth of chatbots. This is the smart service, customer service, interactive tools in our Alexas and Google Homes, things that are basically able to talk to us through machine intelligence and can respond to us, learn from us, and then interact with us. This is a super powerful trend. You're going to see huge impacts from this trend in customer service and experience as frontline service support are able to be managed and handled by these devices. Probably the first place you're going to see them is in social media through apps like Facebook. The next is going to be your autonomous vehicles. We already have Google putting cars on the road that are driverless. You've had driverless semi-trucks on the road in the last year. Uber is making massive investments to try to take their technology to the next level with driverless fleets. BMW, Ford, many of the automotive companies are following in this suit and will be doing more with artificial intelligence in the coming years. And then the third area, which I really predict to see huge growth in artificial intelligence and cognitive computing, is going to be filling gaps in between the human ability to adapt, which seems to be kind of slow and linear, and the rapid creation of data and information, which is happening exponentially. So as we are slowly growing in terms of our ability to adapt to the rapid technological change that's going on, data is not waiting, transformation is not waiting. And so in order to fill that gap, what we're seeing is a need for technologies such as artificial intelligence to basically be able to sift through all this data that's being created in our internal systems, through social, through other online metrics, through the Internet of Things, basically make that data usable. So over the next year, this trend is going to be becoming much more visible in the workforce and in our lives. And it's definitely something to keep an eye on. And although there's a lot of fear about artificial intelligence and robots taking jobs away, there is no question that new jobs and new opportunities are also going to be created. This is something that's proven through 3 industrial revolutions of the past and should be no different in the 4th. That isn't to say jobs won't be taken away. That isn't to say that artificial intelligence isn't something that could replace certain things that we as humans do today. However, like most technology that's come along, we've enhanced it and we've used it and we've continued to push things forward. So a little bit of an aside, but as AI continues to become a bigger trend, we need to embrace this. We need to see what its potential is to help our companies be better, to help us as individuals learn faster, and to help drive into a much brighter future.